back again with another excited video. I have something amazing for you. Without wasting our time, let's see what is it. Percussion threading board. Let's open it. Twice best, 3 years and above. Okay. Can I open it? Your space. Wow! Wow! Has a xylophone and a body puzzle. And this we have some lace and buttons that we can learn to tie our shoes and sew our buttons. Let's try this. Super simple! To add the buttons. Three places for buttons. Can you help me sew them? We have to place the buttons here. Can you help me sew it? I'll do it. This is quite easy for me. And he's so sad. You know what? Because उसकी सारी शर्ट के बटन टूट गए हैं. Can you help me fix this shirt? Okay, let's do it. What pad should we use? The yellow one or the red one? I choose the yellow one. Is it fine? No, it's not look fine. Maybe the red one? Yes, it's fine. But it's okay, we will learn it. Then we will try the shoes next. See, we are done with 2. Let's use the last one, but it's stick another one. Can we buy it? Sneaky, sticky. Hey, Christmas Day, Christmas Day. It's done! It's done! Now it's so sad. You know what we have to do now? We have to make a butterfly. See that? We should have done. It's still not happy. I wonder why. Because we have to fix it in his body. Wait a minute, boy. I'll help you. We have to fix him here. Do it. Can you do it? Yes, you can. 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 Yes! Now he is happy! Are you happy now? He's still not happy. He's still not very happy. You know why? It looks like some pickle. By his shoes, after his face. He has to go outside, but he can't go without his shoes. He wanted to go outside, but he can't go without his shoes. So we can tie his shoes. Now, quickly. We have to tie his shoelaces like this. Because he has to go out. We have to do quickly. But I'm so upset. His friends are waiting for him. See, it's done. Now we have to make butterfly. You know how to make a butterfly? Butterfly, butterfly. Where are you going? Let's tie it. Ta-da! It's done! Now we have to put it on the board. Can you tell me where this blue shoe will go? This blue shoe will go. Ah! Yay! It's fixed. Let's take a butterfly tie. I'm taking help from my mama. Yay! I did it! I did it, and all the way I did it! Yeah, put it in its place. I have to put. I have to put in this. Yay! day is done. I guess he's happy now. So, how was it? You know where to order these toys from Little Moon PK. So that's all for today. I will be back with amazing toy review. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.